welcome back to part 1 of our Kratky method gardening, or how-to video. We have Frankfurt with us today, our garden dog. He likes to hang out with us when we're doing our gardening. And yeah, so today we're going to be just talking about all the Jiffy pods and the gardens that they come with, where you can get, and why you really want to use these. So the Jiffy pods kind of come in these little pucks. I don't know how well you guys can see that. It's just like this hard compressed, like almost feels like cardboard. And what you want to do is you want to just put them in some kind of container and you soak them with water. And in like 10-15 minutes, you're going to end up something that's like this. It's just, these are peat filled, and so that's why it's kind of black. And these are really great for growing seeds in. So they just kind of swell up and they get to be about this big. And then what you do is you just pop them into your gardens like so. Alright? And you know, just kind of fill them up and put all your seeds in. And then what you're going to end up doing is you just take your lid and you know, you put a little more water in there and you just put the lid on. What this does is it kind of makes a little greenhouse. And so it keeps the plants nice, or the pods nice and moist. And you don't have to worry so much about the water evaporating right off of them and drying back up. And so what you want to bear in mind is you don't have to water them every day, but depending on your climate, you may want to water them every other day, or just keep them enough to be moist. And then after a little while, you're going to end up with these amazing little seedlings, like this guy here. I can get them back out of the pod, or the cup. And then yeah, so this is all you're going to need for our next step, or our final step, which is moving them into the jars. So again, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Very quick little video, but if you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comment section down below. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.